you can be part of history. A mass vaccination program to protect people from COVID-19 is now well underway across Scotland. The vaccination program is a huge undertaking and is critically important in the fight against the virus. As part of this national effort, community vaccination centres have opened in Perth Kinross. We need volunteers to help staff our vaccination centres, and that could be you. If you volunteer, what can you expect? You'll be given an induction on your first day, and a buddy will shadow you to show you the ropes and make sure you feel confident in your role. There are different roles at our vaccination centres. Marshals make sure people receiving the vaccinations are guided through the process quickly and efficiently while maintaining social distance. Marshal roles include directing people to parking bays to allow quick and safe flow of traffic, directing people through the vaccination center using the safe one-way system, explaining the vaccination process to people when they arrive, and helping people with additional needs and mobility issues where appropriate. Being a marshal can be quite physically demanding with lots of standing and walking involved, so it's important that you are fairly mobile and that you wear comfortable shoes and warm clothing, as you may be outside or at the entrance, which can be cold at times. You'll be meeting lots of people, so you need good customer care skills and a friendly and warm approach to put them at ease. Some people may be scared about the vaccination process. This may be the first time they have been out of their home in months, so they might be nervous about being around others. The vaccination center is fast-paced, with a number of people arriving at the same time for their appointments, so your customer care skills will help them get through the vaccination journey comfortably and quickly. There is also a welcoming team at each vaccination center to say hello to people and take down their details. If you're on this team, you will ask people some standard questions when they arrive and provide them with a face mask. Again, in this role you need a calm and friendly approach to put them at ease. If you do volunteer at one of our centers, you'll be part of a great team. Someone will always be on hand to help you. You'll be working alongside NHS colleagues and other volunteers, and each center has a friendly manager who will be there to help and support you. By volunteering, you will contribute in a very real way towards defeating COVID-19 and saving lives. It's also very rewarding. One volunteer said, "Through your shift, you hear the customers say how their vaccination appointments are changing their lives. They thank you time and time again." So if you're thinking of volunteering, please contact us for more information. Help your community defeat the virus and play a part in history.